Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a challenge. I got this small little lid container thing because this challenge is gonna get a little messy. Today's challenge, it's by Becky Eats Mukbang. She's the original creator of this challenge. And I've seen Beloved do this for her son Darius. And I got called out by my sis and bro fam. Promo STK, eating good in the neighborhood. Yes, and it's the cotton candy and pickles. So it's cotton candy pickles. Now, I seen Tommy Bites today in her live do it, and she had the flat ones. I couldn't find the flat ones, so we got spears. I love them like this, and I love them like this. But we about to do a combustion combination of flavors. But let's get us a little thumbnail, and then we also gonna get us one as we assemble. So I got me some napkins to shake it off. Ooh, yes, honey. So if y'all watching this far, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. That way you be notified when I post. And also, after I get done with this, I got a surprise for you guys. This is also gonna be lit. I mean, not lit, but it's gonna be... Oh, yes. These look so good. Can I just get a bite? I'm sorry I wasn't supposed to do that, but these are so good. We're gonna do 3. Cause Tommy Bites did 3. Everybody else did 2. But nice and healthy. We're gonna let these drain here. Now I got a whole jar of pickles. This jar cost me $2. And I will eat these. Is up. Oh, I can eat it with my cheese sauce I got left. Let me use my other napkin here. Your girl literally was doing mad videos today. I did my Happy Meal video. I did a vlog. We're doing this. I don't know what else I got going on for the rest of the day. And I got, every time it's time for me to drop my videos, it's always that the time. And of course, it broke in half, so we're gonna have to separate, smash it out some, and see how this go. All right, we got one side attempting. Ugh. All right, we're gonna have to take this off of there. This is a mixture. It got green, blue, pink. I'm not sure if it has any yellow in it. We might not got enough to do 3. I got this little pack from the store. Oh my God, look at it. It's melting. I'm not about to waste all this cotton candy. We're gonna eat it like this. A sugar pickle. Green. That's what I just flavor of the month. It is good. Or maybe it's just me, because I actually like both of them. But it's good. All this sugar. And pickle juice. I wish I got some more napkin, but we're about to make it do what it do. One side. I think when I squeeze it, it takes some of the stuff off. This, we got a lot of blue. Alright. This joint is not sticking. Maybe because it's too much juice. Well, there goes another thumbnail. This joint is really good. Oh, I'm about to say, I thought I ate all my joints. All my stuff. It's really messy. But it's really good. You can't hold on to cotton candy for so long. Because it does stick to your hand because there's nothing but sugar. Why I say it like that, but... Only have one. Only have one. Look at this. It looks like a gel. It's good though. It's that. Woo! Woo! That sugar, it's definitely an acquired taste. Ew. But it's very good. On to our last pickle. And probably all of our cotton candy. My hands are sticking. Look at this joint. It's messy. Like, I haven't had cotton candy in a minute. And this right here is good. We can use up all our cotton candy. Got this from the Dollar Tree. I'm about to be on the sugar. Oh, I forgot. Stay over there. Y'all want a bite? Dang, I ate a total of 4 pickles. Look at that. A candy pickle. You know how they make candy apples? A candy pickle. I have I'm bouncing off the wall, cause there's a lot. But since the pickle has acid in it, it's acidic, it cuts some of the sugar down. But the girl ate 3 pickles. Oh, my hands. Oh, I forgot. My nephew got some baby wipes in here. So, either way to clean up. Cause right there is a sticky mess. That's done. Now time for the surprise. Dun dun. So I was in Tommy Bite's live earlier as well, and she said something about a cotton candy pizza. I saved the piece. We're gonna try it on this pizza and see how it tastes. So, Tommy Bites. Here you go. Here you go, sis. Let's see how it tastes. And this is the supreme pizza too. Yeah, we're gonna do that too. It's not even that bad. It don't really taste like anything. It don't. It's pretty good. It's not even like something disgusting. Or maybe it could just be me. I'm being greedy right now. Taste buds all messed up, but it's not even bad. Trust me, if I just sit in those Presorio, this ain't nothing. This ain't nothing. So, Tommy Bites, thanks for this. I will definitely be tagging you in my video. So good. But I'm going to end the video here. Okay, regular full. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like. I ain't calling nobody out. I ain't. Make sure you guys like if you like this video. If you didn't, I don't know what to tell you no more. Comment down below if y'all like to see more challenges like this. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post, because I know you're watching. You want to be notified. So come on and join the family. And until next time, we are out of here. Peace.
Don't tell me I can have it, cause I get it myself. Trying to set limits, I'm not with it.